Hi, and welcome to the second video on exponential equations. In the last video, we had a look at very simple exponential equations, and in this video, we are taking it one level up. The rules still stay the same, that when we are solving exponential equations, the goal is to make the bases the same. Let us start with the first one. So we have 2x minus 2 is equal to 32. So the first step is always to factorize and break it down into prime bases. So we have to rewrite this 32 as a product of prime numbers, and 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. Once we have that the bases are the same, then we can drop the bases and work with just the exponents. And then this here is then 2 to the power, x minus 5 plus 2 when we take it over. So x is equal to 7. Let's have a look at number 2. We have 3x plus 1 is equal to 27. So the first step is to break the numbers up into prime bases. 3 is already a prime number, so 27 we can write as 3 cubed. And then when the bases are the same, we can drop them. So we're going to have x plus 1 is equal to 3, and x is equal to 3 minus 1, so x is equal to 2. Let's have a look at the next one. So we have 5x plus 1 is equal to 25. Once again, we would first like to break our bases up into prime numbers. So that is already a prime number, so this is fine, this base is fine. But 25 can be written as 5 squared. Once the bases are the same, then we can drop them, and we have that x is equal to 2 minus 1, which means that x is equal to 1. The fourth question has 3x plus 1 is equal to a third. How do we get a fraction to have the same base? Well, we know that we're going to have to use our exponential laws, and to move the 3 to the numerator, we're going to have to change the sign of the exponent. Now the bases are the same, so we have x plus 1 is equal to negative 1, and then x plus 1 is equal to negative 2, which is the negative 1 and the negative 1 when we take it over. Let us have a look at number 5. So we have 2x plus 4 is equal to 20. Now, first of all, before we make the bases the same, let us get rid of this 4 by taking it over. So we have 2x is equal to 20 minus 4. So 2x is equal to 16. And then 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4, making x simply equal to 4. I hope that you have understood this video. If you have, please go on and watch the next video on exponential equations. If you found this a bit confusing, please watch our previous video on exponential equations.